Welcome to Cooking with Bobbi Jo. For those new to my channel, my name's Chastity and Bobbi Jo is my dog. Bobbi Jo joins me in the kitchen when we make doggy treats. We do cooking videos on Wednesday and bird videos on Monday, short videos and product reviews and other things in between. Today I'm participating in the Elf Cookies 23 collaboration hosted by Gail Southern Living. If you haven't checked out Gail's channel, go on over and check her out. She has a variety of things on her channel like I do on mine, and there is something for everyone over there. There is also a giveaway with this collaboration. You just need to make sure you comment on multiple videos in the collaboration to be entered into the giveaway. All the videos will be on Gail's playlist entitled Elf Cookies 23. I was going to do a keto cookie video for this collaboration. The cookies smelled great while they were cooking, but they did not taste that good and the texture was just horrible. So I decided not to post that video. I may post it at another time as a recipe not to waste your ingredients on, because I wasted some really good ingredients on that recipe. So I'm going to do a different type of cookies since I'm out of my keto ingredients. So how many of you have doggies? I have 5 doggies. We are located in Chattanooga, Tennessee, for those that didn't know where we were located. But today we are going to be doing doggy Christmas cookies. Yes, doggies need Christmas cookies too. And it's early in the morning, so I'm not sure how awake Bobbi Jo will be. But come join us in the kitchen. You don't have to lay down. Get up where everybody can see you. So I've smashed 2 sweet potatoes. There's, I don't know, small to medium sweet potatoes. I've got 2 eggs. Make sure they can see what we're doing. Yeah. We're gonna put 2 eggs in here. We've got about 3 tablespoons of coconut oil. Hey, leave that flour alone. You can have the peanut butter, but not the flour yet. Got a little cinnamon. We're just gonna sprinkle a little on here. Cinnamon's really good for older dogs. Bobbi Jo's a young one, but we're gonna mix that. Just get it a little mixed there. Now I have 2 cups of whole wheat flour. You can use oat flour, you can use white flour. You can use whatever you want that your dogs like. Now I'm making enough doggy treats for a bunch of doggies. You want a smaller batch, just cut it in half. We've got about a half a cup of peanut butter. I put a little more than a half a cup just because I know Bobbi Jo is gonna lick the bowl. She loves her peanut butter. And I forgot my water. Hang on, let me go get my water. Now, as far as water, it's just going to depend on how much you need to make your dough workable. I start out with a cup. I probably am not going to need a whole cup. I just get a whole cup. So that was just about almost a half a cup I just poured in there. And see how it makes it where you can... That's going to be real sticky, so hopefully you've got enough flour here to... I guess at this point I'm just going to use my hands to mix everything in. And if it's too wet, all you do is add a little bit more flour. Too dry, add a little bit of water. Alright, so we're going to do some different sizes. And I've got a parchment paper lined baking sheet over here too. We're going to do some little stars. See how they look? And if you got too much flour down like I do and your treats look flowery, I cannot talk. I have not been able to talk since I've had COVID. I'll show you a trick to do to get rid of that floury look on the. Plus it'll make them a little crispier because my dogs like their doggy treats crunchy unless it's their liver treats. All right, let's go to the next size up. I'll do some real big ones. Two, three, four, and 5. That's one for each dog. Now if you look, you've got some here that's got a lot of flour on them, and they'll bake looking like flour. I have some coconut oil here that I'm going to brush over the treats, and that will kind of dissolve that flour up too, but it'll also make the treats a little crunchier. All right, we're going to put these in the oven, and then I'm going to finish doing the rest of them. Mr. Jackson, do you want a treat? Huh? You gotta sit down. Oh, Carla's gonna sing. Carla's gonna sing, and Bobby says, I don't want none of y'all eating my treats. Good catch, Jack. Whoop, you missed, Carla. Was that good, Jack? You're like, throw me another one, Mom. Bobby, you want a big one? Bobbi Jo, are you upset you're having to share your treats? You want to pick out one? She said, I want one of these big ones, Mom. So now we have enough sweet potato peanut butter treats to last a while. They keep in an airtight container for up to 2 weeks. If you'd like to freeze them, homemade dog treats usually last about 6 months in the freezer. As always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more do-it-yourself projects, bird videos, gardening, and drool-worthy human and dog treats. Y'all have a very Merry Christmas and a blessed day. Bye for now.